everybody. How are you today? Oh, are you doing good today? I hope so. I'm doing fantastic. Well, I have a surprise for everybody. Do you want to know what the surprise is? You do? Well, I ordered some caterpillar larvae, and we're going to watch them grow from a little larva to a big caterpillar to a chrysalis. It's going to hang, and then to a butterfly. Who wants to learn to see how it happens? It's so fantastic. Are you ready? Can you guys crawl like caterpillars? Can you hang like chrysalises? And can you fly like butterflies? I know you can. All right, hopefully they'll come tomorrow. If they don't, I will show you. Until then, bye guys. See the larvae I got? I got them in the mail yesterday. They've already gotten a little bigger since yesterday. Isn't that amazing? Every day they're going to get bigger and bigger. Down at the bottom is their food that they need to make them bigger and bigger. We have to keep it closed so they can be healthy. In a few more days, they're going to start getting bigger and then attaching to the top. And I'll show you that when it happens. So we'll come back in a couple days to see how big they are. Hi everybody. Guess what? It's day 3. And you're not going to believe all the changes that have happened already. It's amazing. Let's go see. So look guys, this is only the next day. And look how big they've gotten already. Can you see them? Wow, they sure are growing fast. How many more days do you think it'll be till they start making chrysalises? We'll have to see. Okay guys, it's day 4 for our caterpillars. You're not going to believe how big they got. When you see them, you're going to be so surprised. Look how big they are. They've gotten so big. Do you see all the webbing in there? They make that because they're growing and it helps them move around in there. Wow, look how big they got. This is just from a couple days. When do you guys think that they're going to change into chrysalises? Some of them have already climbed to the top. We'll have to see tomorrow. Wow, look, they've almost doubled in size since the other day. You see them moving around? They're eating every day. Remember, that stuff on the bottom is their food. What do you guys think? What if you ate that fast and grew that big? Can you imagine in 4 days you doubled in size? Oh my gosh, how big would you be by the time you're a year old? That would be too big. Well, we're going to see tomorrow what happens tomorrow. All right, until then, we'll have to see. Bye, guys. Hello, 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 hello. I'm back. Well, today is day 5. Do you think the caterpillars changed at all today? Well, we're going to find out. Are you ready? Do you think they got bigger? Or do you think they turned into chrysalis hanging on a thing? Let's go look right now. Wow, they've gotten bigger. Can you believe it? Look at the 3 together. They're huddling up. What do you think they're saying to each other? That's funny. Look how big they are. Any day now, they're going to climb to the top. Do you think it'll be tomorrow? We'll have to wait and see till tomorrow. Today is day 6, and you won't believe the big changes that have happened. We're going to look at them, and you're going to notice that they've changed a lot. It's almost time for them to turn to chrysalises. How do I know? Well, you'll see why. They look like the letter J, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's go look. Wow, look guys. They're starting hanging from the top. That means pretty soon they're going to start making their chrysalis. Do you see the one that has like a J shape? He's starting to spin his chrysalis. How many of them are starting? I see just 3. We'll have to see about the other ones. Let me see so I can show you. Oh, later today I'll come back and we can see if they've actually made their chrysalises. Well, I'm about to go to bed, but I promised you I would show them to you before I went to bed so you can see if they've changed or not. Let's go look. So look, everyone. Most of them are hanging, and there's quite a few chrysalises. There's a couple that still need to make it. Do you see that one? Looks like a J. Let's see them better. Ooh, look. I see 2 full chrysalis and 2 hanging J's. And there's 1 up top. See how that one is moving? That's because when they're scared or they feel vibrations, they move. So animals won't eat them. Let's see. See how that one looks like a J? Okay, we're going to let them sleep now, and then tomorrow morning, we'll see if all of them have changed into chrysalis. So, before I went to bed last night, I showed you that. So, let's see what happened this morning. Are you excited? Let's find out. Do you see? All of them, except for one, has turned into a chrysalis. Now, I do have some sad news. One died, and one fell yesterday. You see him? I don't know if he'll live or not. We'll have to find out. Later today or tomorrow, I'll take him out of here and hang him in our basket. I can't wait to see the changes that happen. So, it looks like they're all ready. They made their chrysalises and they're ready for me to move them into the other container. Okay, let's go. Who's going to help me? Okay, so I'm going to take the lid off very gently and take this off. See, we ended up with 5 attached to the top. So if you look inside, remember I told you one didn't live and then one fell when he made his chrysalis. But do you see all the stuff in there? All the pieces? The caterpillars shed their skin, so the pieces are part of the caterpillars that shed. So let's put these in here. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I take these up and we carefully take a safety pin and we attach it to the side because we want them to hang. Oops. We put them in there just so. Do you see them? Now, I'm going to take that one out and see if he'll live. I don't know. We'll have to see. He's moving. Look, he is moving, but I don't know if he'll make it. Let's put him on the bottom. Okay. And see all the gunk inside? That's gross. All right, we'll come back in a couple of days and see what they look like. Get a good shot of. I'll do it. The shadow. So this is day 1 of what they look like, of being in a chrysalis. So everybody, it's been a couple of days. Let's go check on the chrysalises and see if they've changed at all. Do you think they have? I don't know. Let's go find out. So look everybody. See, the chrysalis looks a little darker. That means they're changing. Ooh, we have 5 chrysalis. Let's look at this other one and see if he survived or not. I'm gonna have to zoom in so you can see it better. Ooh, I don't know. He's changing too, so I think he's doing well. Well, let's look at these one more time. Do you see the gold in it? That's really cool. I think it'll probably be any day now. Good morning, everybody. Guess what? This morning I woke up and there was a big surprise. Can you guess what the surprise is? I'm going to show you right now. Look what happened. Can you see it? The butterfly. It turned into a butterfly. Do you see all the chrysalises? They're just shells now. The butterflies all hatched. Look at them. I don't want to open it right now because I don't want to let them go. But look, they're flapping their wings so they can get ready to fly away. Do you see that red stuff? That's not blood. That's just the color from their wings. But look at them. Aren't they so pretty? I'm going to feed them now so I can spend the day with them, and then I'll let them go later. Do you want to watch me make their food? What do you think they eat? I'll show you. Okay, so you ready to watch me feed them? So this is what we need. We need a 1/4 cup water, and I have here a packet of sugar and a container that has a hole in it with a cotton ball. It's that simple. So you take the water and you pour it into the container, and sugar. Because water is just like the nectar they get from flowers. Now they can't live in here forever, so this way it gives them some energy so I can let them go. And you just stir until the sugar dissolves. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, it's all dissolved. Take the cotton ball and you put in the middle so it gets all wet. Then you take the lid and you put it on top. Make sure the cotton ball is sticking near the hole, because you don't want the butterflies to go in the water, because that would be good for them. And then we just take this and we're going to lay it inside of the cage. Are you ready? Okay, so now all I'm going to do is very carefully, they're all on the top here, so I'm going to be very careful, is just to lay this on the inside. We don't want them to let it out. Oop, there's one on my finger. Oop, there's 2 of my fingers. See them? Okay, guys. There we go. He doesn't want to get off my finger. Let's put this inside. Okay, little butterfly. There we go. Can you see it? Yep. See him on my finger? Maybe I'm sweet. Up. Let's close this up. We don't want to get out yet. Ooh. I'll show you later if they start feeding. Okay, and then a few minutes later, by the end of the day, we'll let them loose. See you later, guys. Can you see the butterfly drinking the sugar water? See, he's got a straw that he's drinking with. And now he rolled it up and he took it back out again. Okay, look at me first. So everybody, it's time to release them. You want to watch me? Okay, let's go. I'm going to open it up. See if they fly away. Yep, there goes one.
Where'd he go?
Okay, let's get another one. Ooh, look how pretty. There he goes.
He went that way. Where'd he go? I can't follow. Oh.
You ready?
I just guess.
Okay, number 3. Oops, he doesn't want to go. Ooh! This one's like, I got a free meal. I don't want to fly it.
Still drinking.
This one's still drinking. He doesn't want to go. Yep, he's pumping his wings. It's the last one. Come on, butterfly, fly away. And there he goes. Whoop. So I let all the butterflies go away, and now there's a couple living in my tree, but I don't know where the rest went. Well, hopefully the last one will come out of its chrysalis. If not, oh well, I will let you know. Until the next video, bye guys.